Can we just stay in Calico the whole time? Oh, golly. Oh, go, go. They're gonna rob this thing, I think. I hope, don't rob it, please. Those are law-abiding citizens in there. They don't need no nefarious ne'er-do-well train robbers on it, robbing the train. Oh my. Doo-ba-doo-doo. Oh, are we gonna make the hoedown at 5:30 tonight? Yeah. Good old Calico. I want to get one of those guns and just run around shooting it, like up in the air. Don't you think that'll be fun? Oh. Oh. What are these guys doing? Are they having a town hall meeting? Well, we were going to do Pony Express, but there's no ponies. So, I don't think I've ever been on this.
How long's the wait?
35 to 40 minutes.
35 to 40 minutes for Bigfoot Rapids that I've never been on before.
Me neither.
I may have to switch to G-Cam because it's waterproof. Look at, there's a rapid right there. Is it roaring? Do you see Bigfoot? Oh, there's the Bigfoot. I don't think I've ever been on this. I certainly do feel like I'm in the wilderness.
The wildest wild.
They're taking us way out here, man. Goodness. Where we board is well way behind us. Oh, there's a geyser. They've got a geyser. That.
Just like that.
Huh?
Huh?
I'm not gonna drop it. I'm a pro, dude. I'm a pro. No, the pop socket doesn't fit in my pocket.
It does. It fits in my pocket.
It doesn't fit in my pocket. I forgot. Ah! Okay, we're back. Ah!
That was my mouth.
You say that every time.
Oh, it's so cold. It feels so good. I'm feeling oh,
all right. Well. Ah!
oh my god.
There's no. What?
I'm getting more and more wet every time I get oh my god.
There we go. That's me. Okay, whose idea was this?
It was actually your son's. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a geyser.
Oh my gosh. That felt really good though.
Is there a drop on this? No, it's just a rapid.
Oh god. That's so nice. Everything is nice. Oh god.
Oh.
So it's your turn, honey. It's your turn.
Ah! Okay, that was close. I don't like to be wet.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh dear. Oh my god.
Oh! We're backwards. Can we turn this thing?
Oh, you got in trouble. Look at me.
Well, after the mean man told me to put my phone away, we got soaked. We went through that thing down there. It's a cave with mist. And then, I mean...
I'm pretty soaked. Your son got the worst.
He's wet. We're refreshed for a little while now, I think.
Yeah, I don't need a Snoopy t-shirt, but I really want one. Yeah.
Okay, I think something's happening. Somebody fired a warning shot.
Right here. I'll stay right. Val! Oh, yeah. Now, folks, I'm just waiting right there.
little while ago, the governor, our telegram guy came over and told us that we got a letter from the governor. And he sent in a very important package on the new, well actually 1210 train. Alright? So, what we need to do is go over and collect that and protect it. Alright? So, it's dangerous. Yes, you have a question? No, okay. Alright, so, what we need to do is form 2 lines right here. I'm going to stand right here.
Well, I was gonna watch that thing, but it's just, I think it's just for kids. So we got out of that line. Besides, this place is open, the Ghost Town Grill, and yeah, let's find a place to eat in here, hopefully. You guys, I just asked for a sarsaparilla float. Is that how you spell sarsaparilla? With an R in it?
What is
Sarsaparilla, it says.
Sarsaparilla?
Well, SARS is a deadly disease. So
You're gonna have a
we're off to a
deadly
good
disease
start.
float?
And look, there's a spider web right here on
I know
our
it's
table.
gorgeous. I'm staring at it.
So this, we got ourselves a little outdoor seat here at the, I forget what they call this.
Ghost Town Grill.
Ghost Town Grill or something.
Yeah.
It's basically lunch, sandwiches and burgers, and sarsaparilla. We can
have
get.
a cinnamon apple or boysenberry pie.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah,
She
I
said, There it is. And they have a map of Ghost Town. Is that right?
Yeah.
Look at that. You can see all the little places you can go, like the Birdcage
What are you
Theater,
gonna get? Ninja.
the Calico Mine Company. We've been there. Schoolhouse. Yeah, that's fun. Look at all the places we can go. Ghost Rider, which is 2 hours right here. We can see all of this in the time it takes you to ride Ghost Rider. Hey, they had the blacksmith. He's right there. The ninja is trying to question me about whether or not I can say "right on" in the Old West. I think it's totally an Old West saying. The cowboys used to say that all the time. They would be robbing a bank, and the guests would say at the bank, they would like, "Hey, give us your money," and then the guests would go no, and the robber would be like, "Right on." Can somebody tell that blacksmith to knock it off? Like,
No, he's like.
all day long, I could just hear him banging on.
Yeah, I don't
banging on
think
horseshoes.
you would survive out here, babe.
I'd be like, what's his name?
A million ways to
Yeah.
die in the West. I
Yeah,
fucking love
like
that
everything
movie.
here could kill you. I don't fit in. I'm going to San Francisco.
I love that movie.
That movie should have done better.
Right? It's so funny. I don't get why.
You have it? It's good. It's really dark. There's no light. Did you guys see it? Did you find the spider yet?
He's right there. Is he in the middle, or is that a dead fly? That could be a dead fly.
That's lunch. There he goes again. God. The blacksmith. She brought my sarsaparilla, which it turns out
You know that.
is, first of all, spelled with an R.
So they did spell it right.
Sarsaparilla. It's from Sioux City, and it is root beer. That's my float. You guys right now are looking at that like, I wish I got a sarsaparilla float, right?
But it doesn't taste like.
Are you super jelly?
I mean, the root beer's okay.
Look at that. Just stare at it. Just look at it. Don't you feel like you're in the Old West having a sarsaparilla?
Did they have those type of bottles?
You know,
back then?
sarsaparilla could kill you.
I can think it looks like amazing.
Calico burger. That's just like your basic cheeseburger, right? Mm-hmm. There's nothing. Oh, we got to put our own ketchup and stuff on it.
Yes, ooh, look at those pickles up.
We had to get waffle fries though for the lady. And those are the what do they call them? The something
Riblets?
lime, something salt lime riblets. She made the sound. I'm sorry. And what'd you get there, Bo?
I can't remember what it's called.
You can't. It wasn't the Calico though. Something barbecuey. He's enjoying it. They waited 2 hours. I said they waited 2 hours. Did you know how much? Okay, this is rhetorical to you two because I've already told you, but I went ahead and looked to find out how much fast lane pass is for, because that's how you can beat the 2 hour line is by getting fast pass, right? Or fast lane, which basically gets you on all the rides. All the good ones are on fast lane. Anyway, a ticket to Knott's Berry Farm is like 80 bucks, I think. Fast lane is 65. A annual pass to Knott's Berry Farm is like 120, I think. It's not much more than the ticket. Fast lane, annual pass fast lane, $500. That's how much fast lane is. Huh? We're going,
Not the right way.
we're not going the right way. No, we're not. Where are we going? We're going to this fountain.
Wait, can we go that way?
No, I don't know. That's not a way. This is a way, though. Look at Ghost Rider, though. Look how awesome that looks. I wish we were riding this right now.
I know, me too.
Look, it's like a fast-moving horse. Look at, oh.
It's like still like the only wooden roller coaster we have left.
Yeah, they don't, Colossus isn't wooden anymore, is
No,
it?
it's gone. Yep. I don't think it's made out of wood anymore.
You know what else is made of wood?
Run!
It's made of wood! You know, being like, I don't know, professional vloggers and stuff, you'd think we'd know better. We went on Bigfoot Rapids and then had lunch. That's not exactly how you're supposed to do it, because we sat in our wet clothes because we got really wet on Bigfoot Rapids. We sat. Now we're like, I think, I do think that there's some mold happening. It's not comfortable right now. It's not comfortable. We should have been walking around first. Where are we going? Pony Express? Okay, let's hang a left then. Everything is to the left over here. Lockers, first aid, security, guest services, this old dude, Deadwood Dick.
Yes, he was just dying to get there.
You know what to do there, sir.
I don't get it. Hey, remember when we were here just a minute ago?
We haven't actually locked it.
Oh my gosh, I want to get this.
We can maybe get that for you.
Be like, sorry, Miss Ashley.
Go left. I think they're all on some kind of quest.
Hey folks, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. Can I say hello to you? Well, how you doing there?
Huh? Do you want to go in the stable where they keep all the liveries?
I want to see the horsey.
Well, that's where they keep it.
He's so beautiful.
Yeah. That's like, you can make 20 or 30 steaks out of that. Found another one.
Hi, you.
He's,
Hey. What's up?
yeah.
I think it's mad at you.
Here. Oh, they're so cute. Like, okay, I'm done being social.
They're all not
I need
being
a break.
social.
Yes, except this one.
He's the only one making friends.
Yeah, it's always good. I used to like little kids like put pictures in the back of your head.
What's that?
Bite too.
Then you get horse rabies.
Did you guys want to get a picture with them? I can take it for you. Can they get a picture?
Oh my god, do you guys smell that?
Yeah, we just ate those.
That's some barbecue. Hey, do you guys want to go to the knife shop where you can get actual knives?
Going there, right?
No, train.
That train, mine train.
That's the Calico mine train. I want to see how long the line is for the train.
Okay, can we also do that one there today?
That's going to be there all day. You don't have to worry about that. All day, it'll be quiet. Nobody goes on that ride. I want to get the. Is the train not working? Man, we keep getting. Pony Express isn't working. The train isn't working. So
excited.
I know Liz is happy that we get to go on the Calico mine train. This thing is amazing. I love this. I love this ride. This is my favorite ride at Knott's. I was trying to put this off till later, but we're doing this now. It looks like.
I need to try all. Greg, get over here. My green.
Adventure of their afternoon. We're about to join them in just a few minutes. Where's our boat? Where's our boat?
Alrighty, folks, you guys. Howdy folks, they call me Old Mine and Joe, and I'll be taking you to the Calico mine. Please make sure to remain fully seated and keep those arms and legs inside, and there's no eating, drinking, smoking, or flash photography.
Howdy folks, this here is old Cat Mahoney, and I'm
You're in for a treat.
you into the
This is gonna freak you out a little bit, I think.
Why?
It's just that
this side of the Mississippi.
We're glad to have you in mind today.
Just begun.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many more miners gone and love it dig right down to the cold Mother Earth. Level of the mine. Take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir. That's the world famous Calico mine glory. Inside of it, tracks and all.
Y'all don't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get lost into Kingdom Come.
Oh my God.
It's dark up here.
Yeah, it is.
Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1 million years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling. Drink some of the juice, William. It's about backbreaking work, digging up all that man's best friend for
Looks like we are all clear. Just remain seated. We will be in
Oh my God. Oh look, that's really. Oh my God.
dynamite driving. Y'all get along now. I got work to do.
Did I not tell you?
If you got any claims to take down there in
It's the most
asphalt
unintentionally scary ride ever. It's supposed to be a plain old dark ride, but
Alrighty, folks, just go ahead and stand on up,
narrow
lift up on
tight
that
there.
seat by the door, then please